I'm Peter Garpick. I'm the Superintendent of Arctic Search and Rescue Development. The Arctic Coast Guard Forum is a group of 8 Arctic-based nations who were going to work together to share their expertise and their resources to respond to emergencies in the Arctic. The live exercise, called Arctic Guardian, took place over 3 days. The first day was pretty tough. It had 5 ships and a few aircraft looking for 6 life rafts. These were real life rafts that were placed the night before by the Icelandic Coast Guard. With reality, these life rafts drifted to different locations. You have wind and current. So it was a real challenge for the vessels to go out 100 and so miles offshore to look for 6 very small life rafts. The next day we had a challenge where we put a person in the water, a mannequin that floated. It was a theory of someone fell overboard off a ship. And on the final day there was a damage control exercise here on the Canadian Coast Guard vessel Pierre Radisson, where they converted a sea container into what looked and felt like a ship with pipes and bulkheads. And all these pipes were under pressure of water, and the crews had to go inside, and the pressure was given to the pipes, flooding the container, and they had to take actions to stop the flooding. And the challenge was, it wasn't the Canadians, then the Americans and the Icelanders and so on. A person from the Canadian team worked with a person from the Icelandic team and a person from the American team. So they really had to overcome barriers, which could be communications, language, or just terminology. But it was a huge success and really built morale amongst all the crews involved. And probably the most important or the telling fact of the success of this exercise, a phrase was coined at the what we call a hot wash after the exercise, and said, "We arrived as colleagues, but we've left as friends." The confidence in working with each other and the ease to work with each other was immense, and I really look forward to the opportunity to exercise and work with folks again, but know that in the real event that we'll be able to work with our colleagues across the top of the earth.